Hello, this is Lisa from Casa de Greenlee Art, and I am back with another color split made from paint that I mixed on together of a bunch of different stuff. I have 3 of these. I already showed you the Smoky Purple. This one is kind of a peachy pink color. Has actually I dumped some gold and silver into it also, so it does have some iridescence. And I'm going to throw in, again, titanium white to split it. And then my other colors will be Quinacridone Magenta by Holbein, Watermelon by This Little Piggy Pigment, Persian Rose by Amsterdam, Ballet Slipper by Little Piggy Pigments, Rose Gold by Deco Art Extreme Sheen, Pearl Pink Tulip by Arteza, Pearl Golden Hour by Arteza, Coral by Deco Art Extreme Sheen, Golden Peach by Little Piggy Pigments, and to top it off, Red Flash by Folk Art Color Shift. With all the pigments, this should have some serious shine to it. I'm really looking forward to seeing this. Let me flood my canvas and I will be right back. Okay, my canvas is flooded. We're ready to go. So I'm going to start off with the Quinacridone Magenta. I think I said it better that time. Now this is a Holbein, so this will take over if you use too much of it. So I'm not loading up like I did the last one with the darker paint. Watermelon by Little Piggy Pigments. That's a mouthful to say, it really is. Persian Rose by Amsterdam. Kind of anxious to see how this pink base does because it has the gold and silver in it. It should create its own cells just because of that. And they were Pebeo gold and silver, not Deco Art Extreme Sheen gold and silver. So it doesn't create quite as many cells as the Deco Art one does, but it does create cells. You can see that Quinacridone Holbein kind of spreading a little bit there. And last but not least, the Red Flash. Pop the bubbles. I just got a flash of my mom playing Tiny Bubbles on the organ. And no, I'm not going to sing for you, thank God. Okay, let's blow this out. I'm not real impressed with this section right here. Not quite sure what happened, but I think what I'm going to do is add more paint and blow it out again and hope that I can sort of get it to work. Just going to put a little tiny bit of all the paints back on. This is why you keep your paints in order, so you don't forget which ones you used where. Okay, let's see if we can get this fixed a little bit. Okay, I like that better. This is a little wild right here, but it's selling up really neat, so I think it'll be fine. Let's torch this and see what we got going on. You know what? I think I'm gonna blow this little piece out right here. Okay. I say okay, and then I go ahead and blow on it. I think I'm gonna let it go from here, and we will see how this is gonna dry. Hopefully really pretty. I do like it. I like that I'm glad that I did the dark pink that I can't pronounce in there. Really gives it a nice contrast because it's kind of a peachy pink. The other base is. And then the yellow, that gold, Arteza gold, pearl gold, looks really good in there. So I will bring you in for a close-up and well, after I touch up my edges. Okay, I've got the flash on so we can see all the beautiful sparkly bits. Oop, color change, too close. I think this is going to turn out really pretty. With all of those pigments in there, it is going to have amazing sparkle. I keep wanting to go in for the close-up and my phone is like, nope, sorry, not going to do it. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think this will turn out really pretty. Here is the dried painting. So pretty. Lots of sparkle because of the pigments and the metallics and the pearls. Color change there. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the alarm bell. See you next time.